Hi, I'm David with ChefsTemp. Did you know you can enhance your ProTemp S1 with a wireless probe? Today, I'll show you how to charge the probe with our 4-in-1 charger and how to add it to your ProTemp S1. Let's get cooking. The ProTemp S1 pairs seamlessly with both our original and second generation wireless probes. To use a wireless probe, you'll need our 4-in-1 charger to keep it powered up. First, connect the 4-in-1 charger using the Type-C cable and a 5-volt 2-amp DC adapter. Do not use other voltages or an AC charger, and when successfully connected, the red indicator light next to the Type-C socket will light up, confirming that you have power. Next, place the probe into the charger. A blue indicator light above the probe will light up, showing that it's charging. A fully depleted probe only takes about 10 to 15 minutes to charge completely. Once the probe is fully charged, the blue indicator light will turn off. For best results, charge your probe at least 10 to 15 minutes before cooking. Now that your probe is charged, remove it from the charger and open the ChefsTemp app. Tap the 3 dots in the right corner, select Add the Probe from the drop-down menu, and tap your probe when it appears in the list. That's it. You're ready to cook with your ProTemp S1. If you have questions, feel free to contact our support team at info@chefstemp.com, or you can join our Facebook community to connect with other ChefsTemp users. Just search for ChefsTemp on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.